everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix any makeup that you have broken. This works for bronzers, highlighters, eyeshadows, and anything that's powdered really. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, I have 3 different products that I'm going to be using this method on. I have bronzer, highlighter, and eyebrow powder. So you're going to need paper towel, a spoon, and rubbing alcohol. For the alcohol, I recommend 70% or higher. You start by crushing the product into smaller pieces, and you just want to add a small amount of alcohol at a time until you get the consistency of a paste. Now you just keep smoothing out the surface. And after you clean around the edges of your product, you're just going to place a paper towel on top, which takes away the excess alcohol and smooths out your surface even more. And there you go. I'm doing the same thing with the other products. And after you're done, you're just going to let your product sit overnight with the lid open. And that's it, you guys. This is so easy and it's such a quick fix instead of having to throw your makeup away. The eyebrow powder did come out crummy, but it still worked. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.